And here we go, the Ambient Light T7 for Tesla Model 3. Here we go, that's it arrived, that's the box. Now we are going to unbox it, see what's included with these lights, and of course how to install it. It's right now. And there it is, the Tlyard, the wireless charger for Model 3 or Y with ambient lighting. That's the box, that's how it arrived. Let's open it and see how it looks like, and also what kind of accessory we have with this device. Ta-da! Here we go, the Model T7, that's the box. After I remove all the wrapping, the plastic wrapping, looks already nice on the top of the box, but inside the box, ta-da! We have a black foam. And hopefully under the black foam we don't have another black foam. We do have some black foam, but the device is here. When you're going to turn it, no, it's like that. So here we go, remove the device. There we go, pretty much standalone, front and back of the device with some specification right there. And accessory, nope, that's all for the box, so just the unit itself, no accessory. Now it's time to go and install it in the Tesla. Let's go. Okay, right out of the box, as you saw, that's the device itself, pretty straightforward. Now let's see what kind of tool we need to install this device, and then we come back here and then I will explain how to install it. It's very easy. I got you. Yes, that's the first device that I have to install in the car. That doesn't require any tool. That's excellent. Often accessory for Tesla, you have to unmount all your car and remove all the trim from your car and remove the cable and put cable. No, not with that. That is very simple. You just take it out of the box and look at that. And you put it right here and it clips right away. Look at that. Up, up, up. 2 seconds, install. And as you can see, the lights turn blue right away. The lights, the RGB light, turn on as well. And then we have the clock on the display screen here. So right away, 2 second installation, and it works right out of the box without the need to plug anything. I love those kind of accessory. I hope that more manufacturer in the future makes the same style of accessory, that you don't have to tear down your car to be able to install them. Often they say, yeah, it's only like, it takes an hour, it's very easy installation, and then you have to unmount all your car. In any case, here it is, looks very nice. Even during daylight, I can see the RGB light very well. It uses actually a sensor in the back to be able to touch your wireless charging here pad from the Tesla, and then power that way the whole system. So no wire required, of course, and only the wireless system here from your Tesla is powering up everything. So from factory we see the RGB light here changing. We have also this old style clock, but you can change that easily. You just slide down. Here is the normal clock if you prefer that as well. Otherwise you can slide up and then you have the old style clock if it's your style. To turn on and off the LED display, or I should say the RGB light, you just press this button, light turn off, you press this button again and the light turn back on. Very easy procedure. Very straightforward. There is no hard button, everything is at the touch of your finger. You just barely touch it like you do with your cell phone, and then you can access all the settings very easily that way. About setting, let's dive into it. Let me show you how that device works. Again, very easy. So right there, of course, we do have the time. So we can set up the clock. First thing to do, easy, you just swipe up, you get the old-fashioned clock, and then you click on this little bit over there, the blue here, bit here, and now we can set up the clock. So the date and the time, and it's 24 hours time. So here we go. And once you are happy with setting everything with your clock, you press the little green arrow or green check mark. Here we go. And now we go back to the clock, and of course we swap down, and here we go. You slide, you swap from up to down and you get back to the normal clock. And here we go, we swap rights, here we go, and now we access the manual mode. So here we can change the color, red, blue, green, white-ish, yellow, purple, clear blue, or multicolor. Here we go, now it just go all the color here with this mode. So you just choose random color with this mode. That's the random color mode. As you can see also, we are like under the sunlight today. It's very bright outside and the light works very well. It's very clear. But of course, if you don't want the super bright light during the night, because now during the day you can see them well, but during the night you may not want all the light flashing in your face, there is a setting for that that allows you here to, let's go there. When you are on this screen of the different lights, you pass by the time and you swap left again, and then that's just tell you what's the ambient light are set to. You swap left again, and here we go. Now we can dim the light, brightness 10, it's maximum. But if I dim it a little bit more, see, we can have less brightness. So it's perfect for the nights. And we go back to 10 here now for the demo. And under it, we do have the sound control, so it's at 5. It's how sensitive the microphone is when it's on music mode. When the light will change depending on the music, you can set this right there. Now, the screen is shut it off every like 20 seconds. If it's a bit annoying, you can also change this setting. Like, like now, it's a bit annoying, so I'm going swipe right, and I pass there, and then here you have rest screen, you select off here, and now the screen will stay on all the time. That's very useful if we just want to, let's go back to the clock. If we just want to have the clock always on, then this setting will allow you to do that. Back to the setting now, we have a different effect. We have the brief effect here on the selected lights. We have the voice effect, which is moving with the music. Let's try it, put some music on. There we go, so that works fine. The roll, so they call that the roll is the RGB lights, just all the RGB color. And then the lights here that we go, we can change here with this do setting. Keep in mind though that if you are on the roll modes, that's something I just learned. If you are on the roll mode, you cannot change the setting of the light. See, no matter what I press, the lights stay RGB rolling, doing this RGB color, but you cannot change it manually. For that, you have to go back there, select lights, and now we can come back here and select manually the lights we want. And that's pretty much it. If you keep browsing or if you keep swapping lights, you can access here for atmosphere lamp setting. That will allow you to pinpoint really the color you like with this rainbow table over there. So that could be useful for people who really like to have the color they love, even if it's not available in the preset here. And otherwise, back to the time. Here I just tell you the status, and here we have, of course, the microphone control and the brightness. More swap to the left, and we go back to the time. And remember, you swap up and you have the time, the old style time clock right there. You swap down and you go back to your digital clock. Otherwise, as you can see, the device is very well done. It fits perfectly in my Model 3 and it really looks like it comes from factory actually. So I already have people asking me where I got this, where I bought the car, which model it is. Maybe it's the new 2024 model, the new refresh Model 3, the Highland I believe it's called, but nope, that's exactly extra accessory that will fit perfectly in your Tesla and looks like really it comes from factory. So far I like it. I also like the fact that it has another charger here which is supposed to charge your iPods if you have one of these Apple white box with your earbuds in it, or iPods it's called, and then you put them here to recharge. I don't have any Apple tech myself, but if you have yourself some Apple earpods, you can put them here and it will recharge them without any issue, as you can see here in this example from another YouTube channel that tested the same system, and he had some Apple earpods and then works perfectly over there. So if you have that will work for you. Otherwise, of course, the only little negative I can see about this device is the fact that now it's going to block one of your charging ports, obviously. So you can only charge here on this one, on the left one, and then the right one will be for this control screen, and of course to charge your earbuds right there, your Apple earpods. So here you go, guys, really nice little RGB lights. Turn it off for now. It's very awesome. It brings some more light effect to the Tesla, to your car. So definitely recommend. Of course, be careful, you know, you have a big screen that look like you forgot your phone in the car. So be careful where you park though, because this may attract some thieves out there that may think that you forgot your phone inside your car and may want to break your window to steal it. So just in case, keep that in mind, but otherwise, it looks perfect, it fits nicely in the car, and it really definitely looks like it comes from factory. And of course, also quickly, before I forgot, I wanted to of course show you that you can recharge your phone when the device is installed. This is a Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus with a case on it. So here we go, even with the case and the phone, here we go. And ta-da! Works perfectly. So you can recharge your phone, at least as long as it's not super bulky. You can recharge it with this device while it's installed. So since I have only one phone, I'm happy with it. But like I said before, if you have two phones, you may avoid buying it because of course it takes the second wireless charging slot. But if you only have one phone like me, here it charges perfectly. Let's try again. Removing the phone. Up. You see the device is not affected by using an extra wireless charging power. So put back the phone here, and immediately after a few seconds, here we go, it wirelessly charge. In any case, thanks for watching. Hope this video has been useful. Now you know a little bit more about this awesome device from Tlyard, and I will see you on the next video. Bye bye.